beautiful friends. It's science time with Sisters MIEE. Today we will be exploring Charles' Law with these hand boilers. Let's take a look. Let's check them out. Whoa. Oh my gosh. How is it doing this? I don't know. This is very cool though. Which is? I thought that they were going to be heavy. Really? Yeah, I thought they were going to be a little heavy. Whoa. Gosh. It's like it's boiling. No, mine's not, because mine's not full. You have to hold it at the bottom like this. Oh. Yeah, it's not working. Whoa! What's going on? Whoa! I can like hear it. Like feel it here. Charles' law is when the temperature of a gas increases, so does the volume, or the space it takes up. The gas inside this boiler is at a constant pressure. When we put it in our hand, the heat from our hands causes the gas to expand, and that causes the liquid to move and boil. Wow. Mine's just like bubbles are coming up. Yours kind of looks like the ocean water. Ocean water? No, it's too dark. How is it too dark? See? But when it's on the bottom, it's not. That's pretty cool. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And give it a huge thumbs up. And remember, be kind to others. And make a new friend. Bye-bye.